Hey, hey, rah, rah, rah. That sexy walk is freaking cute. Hey everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So one question. Who is this Jenny? Jenny. At this point, I can't recall of myself knowing about Jenny. In fact, I'm from Jamaica where music is a lot. And I never yet heard any one of my Jamaican fellow mates play their music before. I'm not sure who is this female, what she's capable of. In fact, I'm fairly new to this female who called Jenny. So the reason why I came across her music, it's because it popped up on my YouTube page and I've made a decision to check out her music. But one question, do anyone is watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments and let's have a wonderful time of what Jenny is capable of.
Pretty. Just offering no more, give it that flaw, just a down.
For my first minute, I'm entertained. She's gorgeous, her voice is beautiful, and she's entertaining me. Damn, bro. Oh my god. I'm not sure if I'm lucky enough, but I'm always lucky to get these beautiful females to react to their music. Damn, hey, she sings lovely, wonderful music, great story. I love to see this. I love to see this. Great composure, great dancing skills, and awesome video. These females look so good. They look so good. Especially Jenny herself, man. Wow. Speaking of gorgeousness, Jenny stands in the middle. What? Whoa. When you speak of style, Jenny has it. Oh my god. Yo, I love this, bro. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. Can someone please explain who is Jenny? Where she's from? I want to hear it from the fans. I'm not going to research it as yet, but I want to hear it from the fans, bro. Because I want to learn from you guys. Right? But regardless, bro, that Ferrari looks great. In fact, I'm not sure. Probably it's a Lamborghini. I'm not sure, but please correct me, guys. But the car looks great. I can see that she's full of style, man. Gorgeous as well. I can't stop saying that. Gorgeous as well. Rah, bah, bah. That sexy walk is freaking cute. These sexy dances are freaking cute. Then I myself is here who's watching as a male. Should not feel entertained? I am feeling entertained, bro. Damn! I'm already captured. I'm captured. I'm captured in the world of Jennie. I want to hear more. Awesome. Hey, I love it. Right? And it's giving that vibe, bro. Oh my god, these women are gorgeous. Every one of them are gorgeous. I can't say anymore. They are gorgeous. And the music is it's amazing. It's amazing. Wow, Jennie, I'm able to check out your music because I can see there a lot more music on your page and I'm new right now. Okay, so if you guys enjoy this reaction, please leave a like, smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.